guys, how are you all doing? Have you ever thought how about the love stories back then when smartphones are not so popular? When texting and calling are so expensive? Will love survive there? So I'm going to take you guys some 15 years back to a lovely romantic story. The Raniket Express, a love track written by Piyush Baindra. So let's go into the plot. This whole story is anchored between 2004 to 2007. Raniket Express is a love saga of two main people. The story revolves around Palish and Jigna. Palish is a middle class boy from Jaipur. He travels through Raniket Express to Uttarakhand, the place called Patnagar, to pursue his higher studies in agriculture. The female protagonist, Jigna, is a lovely and sweet girl. Palish got a cousin named Dev. Dev arranges a meeting with Jia where Jigna was also invited. That was the moment when Palish and Jigna met for the first time ever. Both Palish and Jigna liked each other. Palish was really impressed by the simplicity of Jigna. Jigna is a lovely and a homely girl. Palish knew that he cannot meet Jigna again, so he pulled all his luck and gave his phone number to Jigna. Days were rolling and Palish was waiting for Jigna's call, but he didn't get. All of a sudden, during his second mid semester, he got a call from Jigna. At the same moment, he relived all the beautiful memories he had with Jigna. But consider at those times, around the period of 2000 till 2010, when cell phones are not so popular and not many people had the opportunity to use it. So it was seriously a difficult thing to contact your loved ones, especially when they are in another state or another country. So the exact same thing happens to Jigna and Palish. So what happened after the call? Did they meet each other? Did they live ever happily after that? So these questions make the readers to pull the page until the end of the story. So coming to the other sections of the story, this book comprises a total of 25 chapters. All the chapters were written very crisp. The author didn't add any extra glitters to the chapters. Most of the scenes are so relatable and connectable to me. What touches my heart the most is the genuinity of the story. The story seems so real to the readers. The language is loose. Beginners can go for this book without any second thoughts. The author really did an amazing job in narration. He narrates this whole plot so well. It was so engaging and gripping throughout the end. The writing style is amazing. The secondary characters were projected well with the bounded route. This book also tells about casteism in disguise. I should appreciate the author for bringing such sensitive topic here. The author paints various shades of love, hurt, emotions, longings, missings and whatnot. Overall, this love saga is an emotional ride to me. I really look forward to read the second part of this book. This book seriously lightens my mood. It is best recommended to all. Jumping into the title and the cover page. The title, The Raniket Express, is well inclined to the plot as Palish catches the Raniket Express and his whole life changes. Let me quote my favorite line from the book. So this is chapter 12, The Difference. This was the phase when Palish misses Jigna. So it goes like this: you will find me closer to you with every passing day from now on. How beautiful is that? To know what happened at the end, go and grab the book Raniket Express. It's available on Amazon, Flipkart and Google Play Store. So that's it guys. So don't miss to read this amazing book. Go and order it today itself. Bye bye.